I am Dr. P. Pradeep, working as lecturer in English and vice principal at Government Model Degree College, Erragondapalam, Prakasam district. I was born and brought up in Teldavarpalli village and rose to present level with hard work, patience and perseverance. I had 19 years of teaching experience, 12 years in various engineering colleges in both Telugu states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I put up 7 years of experience in Government Model Degree College, Erragondapalam. And besides that, I also working as coordinator to various committees at the college level, besides public administration and information officer. And not only that, I authored 2 books single-handedly, and both the books are available on social platforms like Flipkart and Amazon. The first book is The Methods of English Language Learning in Digital Era, and the second one is The Expert's Notes on English Literature, useful for degree college lecturers and junior lecturers, and various entrance examinations like PhD entrance examination, NET and SET exams like. And not only that, I also wrote poems on various themes. The poems are around 40. They are also available on social platforms. I also had a special blog for my poetry titled www.pradeeppilli.blogspot.com. So this is my poetry blog. Not only that, I am also a member in various national and international bodies, and especially the professional bodies and research like Dr. J.K. Research Foundation in Chennai, and I also a member to IST, Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi. And that's all very briefly about me. And another one book that I worked as editor is The Glimpses of Diaspora, Social, Political, Economical, Cultural and Religious Turmoil of the Marginalized. So this book is also available on both Flipkart and Amazon. And that is very brief and shortly about me. Thank you, one and all.